Bollywood's hottest superstar Ram Charan Teja now wants to spread his wings. He's making his headway into Bollywood, and how? Cherry is all set to star in nothing less than the remake of Zanjeer. Cherry will fit into the shoes of none other than the legendary actor Amitabh Bachchan. The big news to cheer for is that the actor will romance none other than Namma Hudugi Deepika Padukone. Ram Charan is excited to work with the actor and also admits that he's a big admirer of Bollywood beauty Deepika Padukone. The actor worked with Deepika in a commercial and was looking forward to work with her, but that did not happen. Filmmakers tried to bring the leggy lass down south, but Deepika is too busy in Bollywood to act in a Telugu movie. Well, looks like Cherry had to move up to work with her. His dream to work with Deepika has come true with his debut in Bollywood. The remake of Zanjeer is all set to be made in Telugu as well. According to sources, Deepika is the first choice for the film, and without giving it a second thought, the actor agreed to fit into the shoes of Jaya Bachchan in the remake.
Behave yourself. Down here. I'm sorry, sir. Go to your room.
The makers and Deepika both are trying to adjust dates for the movie. You guys will not be shocked to know if Charan is trying to adjust the schedules as per Deepika's free time. Yes guys, the actor is doing every possible thing as he wishes to pair up with her at any cost. The filmmakers don't have much time to wait as the Hindi-Telugu bilingual film is expected to go on the floors by April. Zanjeer is called the turning point in Big B's life, not only in case of his career but also his life.
Get up from here. Get out!
The movie not only launched Amitabh Bachchan in the big league, but with his style of dialogue delivery and his angry looks, he got the tag of angry young man.
जिंदगी में कभी कसम खाई है तो आज खत्म. वो मुझसे हमेशा के लिए नहीं बच सकता. एक न एक दिन मैं उसे छोड़ दूंगा.
Well, only time will tell if Ram Charan impresses the audiences in the remake and if this movie will mark a new height in his career.